you okay, Dom?
Yes.
Oh no, Dom! Don't jump the ball, be careful! One, two. Dom, what's this? Nice work, and do this. Nice work, and show me where your ears are.
These are mine.
These are my ears. Nice work, Dom. Okay, remember, we can do silly talk when the timer goes off. Do you want to do help me? You can do
No.
You can say no thanks.
Nothing.
Okay. What's this?
Book.
Nice work, Dom. And what's this?
Also, some snaps. Book.
Corn.
I need break.
Okay, Dom. Remember, we can't do silly talk with the red timer.
Get the boy the stereo get. And also some snaps.
Do this?
Then the boy was done.
Nice work, Dom. Do this. Nice work. And what's your name?
Dominic.
Nice work. And who's your teacher?
Mr. C.
Nice work, Dom. And touch your head.
Don't walk in more.
Good job, Dom. Remember, if you have nice hands and nice feet and nice words, you get to pick a prize. What's this? Marker. Nice work, Dom. And touch your head. Nice work. And where are your eyes? Good job, Dom. Okay. Now we're on green. So now it's okay to do silly stuff. Here you go, Dom. We can switch bracelets.
About Disneyland.
Okay, we got a bee.
Quad. About a tangled and frozen anymore. The music is too loud. I really